got some stuff in the mail. Some darn good yarn. It's here. Alright, so I did two things. I did the add-on to get some dryer balls because I can't find mine and I needed a few more. I love dryer balls. Now this wasn't from shipping. This was from me being clumsy. I'll correct it in the title if I'm wrong, but I believe this is box 14. Darn good yarn. Let's see what I got. Ooh. I don't think I've gotten this yarn before. This is pretty. I like the color. Let me see the name. Twist Sport Weight Silk Yarn. I think I've gotten some of this, but not in this color. And this one actually feels really soft. And as you can see, it is a 2-ply. That is pretty. Okay, and as the notions, I got crochet hook and knitting needles. A size 6. A full set. Those are always nice. And let's see what the pattern is for this month. Of course, if you want to pause it and read that information, you can. I'll kind of hold each page for a second if you want to see the information. Try to get it without the glare on it. Alright, but let's go to patterns. This is, oh, it's a scrunchie. Okay, the knit pattern's a scrunchie, and the crochet pattern's a scrunchie as well, but that's how you can see how different they look. So, crochet pattern, knit pattern. This might be interesting. Okay, guys, that is what I got for box 13, darn good yarn. If I have the box number wrong, it's corrected in the title. I'm sorry, guys. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the video description below for more information about these items. If there's specials, coupon codes, stuff like that, I try to add them down in there. And make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once you hit subscribe, there is a little bell that will pop up. And if you click that bell, you can actually turn notifications on, so when I have new videos, patterns, reviews, you know, everything coming out, you will get email notification. But yes, I don't remember what the add-on cost, because they're doing now where you can add on to your monthly box. You can actually do a double yarn, which I've debated. I've debated about maybe adding on and doing double the yarn, because I won't make a scrunchie, but I can double that yarn up, and I'd make a cow or a headband or something. But this was the add-on I chose. But I use dryer balls. I put some essential oil on them, throw them in with a dryer with my clothes, and it's awesome. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching.